What is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. Everything around us, air, water, living beings, and even the stars, is made up of atoms. They are so incredibly small that a single human hair is about 500,000 atoms wide. Each atom consists of three main components: protons, positively charged, and neutrons, neutral, located in the nucleus, which makes up most of the atom's mass; electrons, negatively charged, which orbit the nucleus at extremely high speeds. Atoms are typically 0.1 nanometers in size, meaning about 10 million atoms could fit in a row across the width of a pinhead. To put it in perspective, if an atom were the size of a blueberry, then a real blueberry would be the size of Earth. The number of protons in an atom determines which element it is. For example, 1 proton equals hydrogen, 6 protons equals carbon, 8 protons equals oxygen. Atoms bond together to form molecules, which make up all substances in the universe. Without atoms, nothing we know could exist.